are you guys? Welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title and see here on the screen, we're doing an exciting unboxing of a Christmas advent calendar by Hubman and Chubgirl. Now this right here is the amazing Gingerbread Holiday Advent Calendar, and they do one of these every year. Every calendar and box I see videos of is absolutely amazing. The value is great, the products are high quality, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in this year's Gingerbread Holiday Advent Calendar. Thank you so much to Hubman and Chubgirl for sending me this box, but thank you even more to you guys for supporting my content and allowing me to have these opportunities to unbox and show you amazing items for a great value, and I can't wait. Let's jump into it. Now, before we get into this beautiful Gingerbread Holiday Advent Calendar, I do want to show you the freebies for the first 1,000 boxes sold. So if you want to be a part of that group of 1,000 people, you're going to get 2 bonus items. The first one, gorgeous, so adorable. It is the gingerbread plushie that has a little Santa hat, a little scarf and sweater. It is adorable and so soft, amazing quality. This is going to be the perfect little gift for my niece, or even great for little dogs that like to have little stuffed animals. It's the perfect size. And then the other full-size item you get for free if you are a part of the first 1,000 boxes, y'all, it is a full-size gingerbread tote. In the middle here, you can see it says Hubman and Chubgirl, and it has this gorgeous kind of checkered pattern with all the little gingerbread characters on it. It is a front and back printed. Beautiful, amazing quality. It's kind of like that material that you can easily wipe down. You have the pink handles here, great as a shoulder bag, and y'all, it's a zippered tote, and the inside, as you guys can see, is this gorgeous pink color with a little pocket, and I absolutely love it. You also get a strap, a crossbody strap. So it's going to be great for everyday use, everyday carry, groceries, travel. It's adorable. I cannot believe this is a free gift. Let me just say, everything about this Gingerbread Holiday Advent Calendar has been so thoughtful, including what you get in this little folder here. So Hubman and Chubgirl gives you these sticker sheets. Also, the folder is adorable itself, has a little note from the family, and you can use these stickers to customize your gingerbread house. Here they give you 6 sticker sheets, so you can actually decorate your gingerbread house before you even start the advent calendar. So the fun actually starts way before December 1st, which is when the box technically starts if you open one per day. So you get a sheet of wreaths, trees, and bushes. You get 2 of those, 2 sheets of the string lights, which these are adorable, and you can kind of put them anywhere on the house. And these are also great for your planners or journals as well. That's where I think I'm gonna definitely use them. And then you have a sheet of candies and candy canes. So tons of sticker sheets to start the fun. I'm gonna just do a quick 360 for you guys so you guys can see how beautiful and gorgeous the design of this is. Very thoughtful. I'm so excited. So let's open this up. What I really love about this is that this is going to be a really great item to reuse for storage. So yes, it's pretty and decorative, but you can also keep it around, store some stationery in there, some washi tapes, pens, anything you want. All right, let's jump into it. So it looks like there are 3 different levels here, 3 different shelves, I should say. And I'm just going to slightly pull each out so you can see that there's 3 of them. We're gonna start off on the first shelf. This is number 1, and envelope number 1, we have, oh my gosh, it is a cute ornament. Oh wow, look at this. How adorable is this, you guys? This is a little gingerbread house, and you have a little, I think they're polar bears. It says Happy Holidays, and you have a little ribbon to tie onto the tree. This is definitely going on my tree this year. So that was number 1. Number 2. All right, we have some sticker sheets. So adorable. We have all the gingerbread people, 2 sheets of that, and the gingerbread houses. Oh, these are gonna be fun. And then we have number 3. It's a slightly bigger envelope here. Let's see. Ooh, we have more sticker sheets, are a little bit larger of a sheet, and we have more gingerbread houses, little wreaths and cupcakes, and then bigger gingerbread people. Get number 4. Here we go. This seems a little bit thicker, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Oh, what is this? Look how cute. It says Holly Jolly. Oh my gosh, it's a reusable sticker book, you guys. So you have all these blank sheets front and back, so you can put any of your holiday stickers in here, journaling items, and this is great for on the go and travel. But look how adorable, so cute. I really do love Hubman and Chubgirl's designs. They're really unique and cutesy. All right, we have number 5. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a long video and I'm so excited about it. Number 5 looks like more sticker sheets. These characters are reindeer and I think a cow? I'm not really sure. And then we have some of the polar bears and snowmen. Here is number 7, a little bit bigger of an envelope. Ooh, what's this? Oh guys, it's wrapping paper. So, look how big this is. So this is a pretty decent size. I would say these would be great for small to medium sized gifts. And this is Hubman and Chubgirl wrapping paper. So we have this pink one with gingerbread people, candy canes, and wreaths. We have this style, which is a green background with, again, candy canes, gingerbread people, and wreaths. And then a brown shade. So you get all of these colors for your gifts. I'm definitely going to use these to wrap my niece's Christmas gift. She will absolutely love that. This is number 6. Oh no, did we go out of order? Yeah, I'm sorry you guys. We definitely jumped around, I'm so sorry, but this is number 6, that was number 7. Wow, this is a really nice journal. Oh my gosh, and it's adorable. Anything in this print is going to be so cute. This journal is so nice. The quality is amazing. It's a bullet journal, dot grids. Have a pen loop here in the blue. Oh, and there's also a pink elastic as well. Oh, this is great. Y'all, all of these pieces in this advent calendar would be such great gifts. So if you are looking to gift some stationery to friends, family, loved ones, this is such a great thing because you can just split up this box. And then we're gonna go over here because number 8 is this little box right here. We have some washi tapes. These are adorable. So we have some gingerbread friends, and then we have the gingerbread village. The green gingerbread friends is also a sort of glitter finish, which is so pretty and gorgeous. And then the gingerbread village has a gold foil finish. Absolutely love them. So excited to use these in my spread. Number 9, which is on this side. And let's open this up. For 9, we have an acrylic clip. I love clips. So every time I journal or plan, I like to make sure my book is flat. So a planner clip like this is perfect to just make sure you're working on a flat surface. Great for decoration. I'm actually gonna clip this right here. So cute. Now we're gonna do number 10, which is right here, this little envelope. We have, ooh, we have die cuts. I love die cuts. So these are 5 assorted waterproof, UV resistant, high quality vinyls. We have some gingerbread people, green hat one, a pink dress, blue hat, pink hat, and then a little icing one. These are adorable. All right, we're getting through it. We have number 11. I also want to mention that I love how this box is 25 items because you always want to open something on Christmas Day. You know what I mean? All right, so number 11 is a gingerbread fun acrylic shaker charm. So I got one of these in their other boxes, the travel box, and it's adorable. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. They are like little snowballs. Can you guys see that right there? Snowballs, really adorable. Actually, my niece would love this on her backpack. We have number 12 over here. We have a little enamel pin. I'm obsessed with enamel pins. This is really nice. The little gingerbread person in the little pink outfit here. Wow, this is gorgeous. And then we have number 13 right here. Ooh, we have another washi tape. This is the Holiday Stamps washi tape, and it looks like a little postage stamp. Oh my gosh, there's so many different designs. I'm gonna roll this out and show you this as well. Absolutely love this. All right, and then we have 14, the last thing on the doors. And we're gonna just open this one up. Ooh, we have little gift tags. These are nice. It also comes with the string. Wow, these are really thick, high quality cardstock. You get 2 reindeer, 2 snowmen, 2 of the little friends, critter friends, and then the polar bears. So adorable. Again, really good quality. Number 15 right here. Let's see what we have. We have, oh, look at these little paper clips. We have gingerbread men and a little house. Pink and green paper clips. All right, we need 16, right? Where's number 16? Let's see what we have here. What's this? Oh, they're Christmas cards. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love these. Okay, so it comes with the envelopes, brown envelope, and we have some Christmas cards. This one says Merry Christmas, and they are blank inside. This one says Happy Holidays. And then this one says Warmest Wishes. Oh, wow, these are gorgeous. Now we are on to number 17 right here. This one is, what are these? Oh my gosh, are these more gift tags? Wait a minute. This is one long piece of ribbon, and then all of these little gingerbread people have holes on each side. So I believe this is for a holiday like garland that you can hang up as decoration. How adorable is that? I am so excited to put this together. You kind of just weave the ribbon through each of the gingerbread people. That's gonna be such a fun activity with my niece. I cannot wait. Now we have number 19 right here. All right, number 19. Oh my gosh, are these coasters? Holiday coasters, and you get 2 of them. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. So adorable. It says Jingle All the Way with the little gingerbread house and some characters. That is so cute. I'm definitely gonna have these on my desk. I have 2 desks in my office, so this is perfect. Oops, we have 18. Did I go out of order? Yes, of course. You guys know me, I'm never in order. So this is number 18. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, what are these? Socks? No way, stop it. They are cozy holiday socks. They're so soft, and they have a little holly right here, pink striped, adorable, super cute. Really nice quality. The last one on this shelf is number 20. And number 20, we have, let's see, what is this? Oh my gosh, look how adorable. It's a sticky note pad, 3 different sticky notepads, 30 sheets each, and there are gingerbread themes. We have the house, little squares, and the gingerbread man. You guys know I love a good sticky note, so this is so cute. All right, let's get to the last shelf right here on the bottom. So that was number 20. So let's find number 21. Where's 21? Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I love this, you guys. What is this? DIY treat box? Oh my gosh, how cute. Let's see how many you get in here. So I'm gonna leave the instructions and the ribbon in there, but you get 3 different little treat boxes. It shows you how to put them together, but these are great for little holiday baked goods or candies you want to put together. Just a nice little add-on gift as well. So you get 3 of those. These would be great for coworker gifts if you're doing gifts with your coworkers. Such a cute little idea. That's so awesome. I love how different these items are because they're creative, they're useful, and I love it. So that is the DIY treat box. And so let's move on to number 22 here. This, I feel like a ruler maybe, just because of the shape. Yes, it is a ruler. I love rulers. I need them all the time. And this is obviously gingerbread themed. Why can't I figure this out? Do you guys see how adorable this ruler is? There is a film on it, so I am gonna have to peel off the film. And there's film, I think, on all the acrylic items. Just keep that in mind, just peel off the film. But it is adorable. Now we have number 23. What could this be? Oh, we have a little to-do list. All right, you guys, my camera died, so I had to charge the battery a little bit, but we left off at number 23, and we have this gorgeous little to-do list with all the characters at the bottom. Really love that. I love a good to-do list. And then we have number 24, second to last. Oh, it's coming to an end. All right, you guys, my camera died, so I had to charge the battery a little bit, but we left off at number 23, and we have this gorgeous little to-do list with all the characters at the bottom. Really love that. I love a good to-do list. And then we have number 24, second to last. Oh, it's coming to an end. All right, number 24. Ooh, it's a little pouch. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It has a little loop right here, and then inside you have a few pockets in there. This is adorable. Great to just have inside your bag to keep little things. Double-sided, look at that, the little house. And then the little characters, love this. And then of course we only have one left, number 25. All right, let's see. Oh, we have a plushie. Look how adorable this Christmas tree plushie is with the little star on the top. This is so cute. And now the little gingerbread plushie has a friend. Alright, you guys, that is it for this amazing box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I highly recommend it. It's such an amazing value, and it's great as a fun gift to yourself to enjoy throughout December. So if you love stationery and all things fun, definitely check out their Gingerbread Holiday Advent Calendar. I'm gonna leave the link down below to this box and any coupon codes if you want to use that to save some money. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave any comments or questions down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!